Dr. Brad Conder here again, trying to give you some more information just on some of the common things I've been hearing lately. So one thing I wanted to cover today is that, one of the common things I hear from some of my newest patients is that they've tried everything and nothing helps. That's a very common issue I find in kind of what we would consider routine things: neck pain, back pain, shoulder pain, knee pain. We think they're routine things that are kind of not that big a deal because in the grand scheme of healthcare, right, we're kind of maybe dealing with heart problems, kidney problems, all these other issues. But, most all of us are dealing with low back pain, neck pain, those type of things. And they're much, much more debilitating than we give them credit for. When you can't roll over in bed at night and you can't focus on your work, you can't stand up and down, you can't sit for 10 minutes, and nothing kind of really seems to help. And there's a big frustration. It kind of makes you have a lot of fear. And it's very normal to have that scary feeling. So I wanted to kind of talk a little bit about that today and just kind of give those out there that are wondering if there's anything that's going to help, that there is something that you can do. The hard part is oftentimes you may have tried medication, you may have went to your doctor, you may have went to a specialist, you may have even tried physical therapy or chiropractor. The bad part is sometimes that you may have not just found what works best for you. And at Focus Physical Therapy, one of the things that I've tried to really do to kind of for all of our therapists and my patients is to give them the best chance to kind of get most of these things taken care of. And really the best thing you're kind of looking for is making sure that someone has the time to kind of really spend to talk to you as far as what's going on, and the time to kind of really take care of it. That's one issue. One of the main issues that I found that people may not actually get the results that they're looking for is that no one's really taking the time to dive into it more. You can't do something routine, you can't do something generic, you can't do the same old stuff. But when you actually get somebody that kind of listens to you, gives you the time to kind of know what's specifically going on for your situation, and also give you the time for treatment, you can actually see results that you're looking for. And that's an okay feeling. So if you go to one of our free discovery sessions, or if you have questions about what we do, and just ask us a little bit more about how we do it. And hold us accountable as far as what would you do, how would you do it. I want to answer those questions because that way I can give you the confidence that if you try what we're trying to do, that you're actually going to get the results and outcome you're looking for. So short and easy answer is you can still get some help. So don't give up. Keep trying to find what works best for you, even if it's not with us. I just want you to get better. So ask us all the questions you need, and hopefully this helps you out to give you some confidence that there is something that will help you out there.